All right, here is our standard king room at the Fairmont Empress in Victoria, British Columbia, Canada, Vancouver Island, however you would like to formally address it. And we have stayed here before. This room has been remodeled since the last time we were in here. This bathroom is much nicer than the one that we had. You have your makeup mirror, standard vanity. These drawers do work, which is nice. The towels are very fluffy and luxurious. You have your rain shower head. It has excellent, excellent water pressure. And then I already have my stuff out, but they do give you a couple of robes to use. And as always, I am Bianca Ramos, travel advisor with Cruising the Pacific. Remember to give the video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, notification bell, so you are always in the know when I am doing a vacation update, room tour, city tour, all different types of tours for you guys. And they do have, I have an espresso maker at home, so I'm very happy to see that they have an espresso machine. Had that this morning, it is excellent. Your little guides of what's going on at the Empress and in the area. You have your mini fridge here. So they give you some creamers. I would say it's a standard size fridge. That is a 1 liter size water bottle, so you can kind of get an idea of how much space you have. And then into these, you have even more drawers. That is something I really enjoy about, even though that this is a standard king room, they give you plenty of storage. And you have your ice bucket with glasses there, a kettle for hot water. They have some teas, sugars, your hot beverage mugs. This is what I refer to as the creepy closet, as it's kind of hard to see, but it is about the same height as I am, 5'5". So you have this little closet. I can just barely stand inside. So yes, that is our creepy closet. If you haven't heard, the Fairmont Empress is notoriously haunted, so that door just stays shut. And then we have your standard closet, and you have your safe. It definitely works. You have your ironing board and iron if you want to use that. And then of course your standard king bed. And we are in room 667. So it's nice, we're on the top floor. We don't have noise above us, and we are away from the elevators. So if you are a light sleeper like me, you will appreciate being on a higher level. And then your desk and chair. And then they do have plenty of outlets for your different devices. And that's one thing that I'm asked as well, is when people travel international, if they need to bring a converter with them. And you do not need a converter when you are here in Victoria, British Columbia, on Vancouver Island. So that concludes this little room tour. I hope you enjoyed. Oh, one more thing. In this bench, I did not point out that there is storage in here as well. So lots and lots of storage here. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, feel free to share it, give it the thumbs up, like it, all the things. And thank you for watching.